Hey you guys, hopefully my sound isn't muffled. I don't know who's on here, but I'm fixing my diffuser, my Desert Mist. So I wanted to pop on here and just show you all how quickly it can happen, or how quickly it is and easy it is to do. So do you have a diffuser that still looks great and it turns on, the fan's working and everything, but it's not misting like it should? It's probably the little disc thing inside that makes the vibrations happen. So you can get it really, really cheap at a place called the Diffuser Dock online. And this is my second one that I fixed like this, so I thought I'd show you how easy it is. So they send you this little tool, like this thing. You stick it down, well, I already took it apart, but you stick it down inside there, and the little disc thing, this has little grooves in it, and so it sits like this. You stick this in here, you twist it, and it unscrews, it pulls out, and then the little disc will come off. Comes out really easy, just falls out. And then I ordered another silicone ring. This is the new one. I threw the old one away already, but sometimes these, it's like a little silicone gasket, and so it gets kind of worn sometimes. So this is so inexpensive that I ordered a new one. And so all you do is you pop all that out. So now I'm just going to drop the silicone ring in there. So see, now it's in there, that little ring. I mean the silicone, oh, it's a ring, it's a little gasket thing. Then this time I ordered a titanium instead of the stainless little disc thing. So see, it's kind of a gold color, it's titanium. It's supposed to last a little bit longer. It was like $5 more. The regular one is, I think, $14. This one's $18, I think. So then you just drop this. Let me see if I can put it in there and then show you how quickly. I'm going to move my phone instead of dropped the phone. I'm sorry, you guys. So anyway, let me see if I can show you. Okay, so see, I dropped the little ring thing, the little disc thing in right there. Let me set this back up here. Maybe it'll work. Okay, and then my new ring, because it was all kind of corroded. It had just funky stuff on it, and I could maybe clean it up, but I just said I'm going to order a new one anyway. So then you just drop this down in there, and you push down on it and kind of turn it to like catch it on the grooves. And I hope that I am able to show you. Hey Marilyn, how are you? So anyway, you're just gonna put it on there and kind of push down and twist it. Okay, I got it. Then, so see, now it's on there. The little silver ring is on there now. And see those little slots in there? I'm just gonna stick this thing in there, and that's what tightens it back up. And you just tighten it. Don't over tighten it, but tighten it like that. Ta-da! It's like brand new in there, right? So now I'm going to put a little bit of water in there. I'm not gonna put any oils in there because I'm not using this diffuser, but I want to put a little bit of water in there to make sure that it's working. And I'm not even gonna put the cover back on. I just want to show you how well it is diffusing now. Hopefully it does. Okay, here we go. Let's see. And can you see that? See how it was not diffusing oil, I mean, it wasn't diffusing at all. And it's like brand new. Look at that, a nice, strong diffuser, mist again. And so it was that quick and that simple. I promise, I had just unscrewed it when I thought, let me do a live on this so that I can show you guys how simple it is to do. And so I'll just chunk the rest of this stuff. I'm gonna hold on to my little tool. I have another one, but I'm gonna hold on to it anyway. And I already have their card, so I'm chunking that too. And I am done. Brand new diffuser, or an old diffuser working like brand new. So they have them for all of them. If you have the Dewdrop, if you have the Desert Mist, if you have the Lantern, I think it's the same reservoir. So check it out. It's diffuserdock.com. And but like I said, he has all the diffuser's parts on there, so you can order them very cheaply. It's way more cost effective than ordering a brand new diffuser if your diffuser still looks really good. So anywho, that's what I wanted to share. Have a great day. Bye.